Hey everyone, Rob here. I just wanted to announce to all of you that this week we're starting something new. It's called the DAE Challenge of the Week. And how it works is every Monday we're going to release a video just like this announcing what the challenge is, and you all will have 1 week to complete and submit the challenge. Submissions are due on Thursday by 5 p.m. and me and the rest of the DAE team will review the submissions. We'll pick a winner, and on Friday about midday we're going to release a live video announcing the winner, what we like about it, and we'll also pick a couple of honorable mentions. So this week we are doing a Minecraft build challenge. Your challenge for the week is to build your best Carnival. Now we want to see a lot of detail. We want to see some rides. We'd like to see some snack stands, and if you can put a petting zoo or something else creative in it, definitely recommend you think hard about the project. We're looking for attention to detail and completeness, and you have all week to work on it. So get cracking in Minecraft. We'll look forward to your submissions on Thursday, and stay tuned. On Friday we will pick the winner. Thanks.